Hi everyone. Today we're going to be solving the LeetCode question 3-sum. So in my previous video, I talked about how to solve 2-sum, and today we can see how we can use the solution to 2-sum to build the solution to 3-sum. So first, let's read the question. So given an integer array nums, we want to return all triplets, so like nums I, nums j, nums k, such that the indices are all different, so like I is not equals to j, I is not equals to k, and j is not equals to k, but the value of the three elements add up to 0. And one important thing is that note that the solution set must not contain duplicate triplets. So for example here, right, in this example, we see this is the nums, and we can see that, for example, like minus 1, 2, that sum is equals to 0. And minus 1, 0, 1, that also equals to 0. And 0, 1, minus 1 also equals to 0. But notice that in we have two instances of minus 1, 0, 1. We only want one instance. And so you can see here the distinct triplets are minus 1, 0, 1, and minus 1, 2. And again, like the order of the output and the order of the triplets still matter. And here, you can see the nums is 0, 1, 1, and the output is an empty array because there is no possible solution. And in this example, nums is an array with 3 zeros, and the output is that way because they 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. And here's just some constraints. So we don't have to worry about the nums array not containing enough elements. We know that its length is at least 3. So let me go to the whiteboard and let me let me explain how we can use this solution for 2-sum to build a solution to 3-sum. So previously, with 2-sum, we had previously with 2-sum, we wanted to find two numbers whose sum is equal to a target, and this target was given. Now for 3-sum, we want to find triplets, so 3 numbers whose sum equals to 0. But if we rearrange this equation, we get this: a plus b equals to minus c. So you can see how this minus c becomes our target value. So how I'm going to do this is first, to avoid this, to fulfill this criteria, the criteria that the solution set must not contain duplicate triplets, I'm going to sort the array. So at a high level view, I'm going to sort the array. And this just prevents us from having duplicate triples or triplets. And the second thing is, I'm going to have a double for loop or nested for loop. And what I'm going to do is this: in the outer layer, that's where we're going to get our target value, r minus c. So and in the inner so not layer loop, let's say loop. And in the inner loop, we want to find two numbers that sum up to our target minus negative. So let me let me go back here and let me show the code. So first, like I mentioned, we're gonna do num star sort, and the reason why is because when we do num star sort, it prevents stuff like it's gonna prevent us from having like -1 0 1 and then 0 1 -1. So that's why we need to show the array first. And then I'm also going to have and then I'm also going to have a result. Sorry, I'm going to have store the triples in a set first, and then when we return this result set, we're going to turn it into an array. So like I mentioned, right, in the outer loop, this is how we get our target. So we're looping through the we have a nested like double for loop, a nested for loop, and in the outer array, we go element by element, and the current element that we're on, that is our target value. And in the inner for loop, we are going to look at all the elements to the right, where like after our current index, and we're trying to see if we can come up with like 2 pairs of numbers that add up to our target number. And we're gonna store these triplets in another set. So I'll call them triplets. And here, this is my inner for loop. Oh, sorry, this would be +1. So here, right, so what I'm doing here is I'm going in a for loop. What I'm doing is I'm looking at all the elements whose index is after the current index that we're on. And like I said before, we're going to use the idea for QSUM to basically find 2 pairs of numbers whose sum add up to the negative value of target. So if the target is 3, we want to find 2 numbers that add up to -3. So if is equals to if this diff is in the triplets, oh sorry, triplets is a bad name. I'll call this C nums. Sorry, this is a bad name. So this will be target num2 diff. One thing I want to mention is that the reason why I'm using a tuple here and not an array is because in Python, arrays are hashable. So if you try to put an array in a set, you'll get an error. That's just a Python fun fact, I guess. But if you look at this, right, it looks very similar to the solution to QSUM, the O of n solution to QSUM, where you have a target value, and what you're doing is you're looping through each value of the array, and you see if and at each step you take the difference between the target and your current value, and you see if the difference is inside the set that we use. Last time was a hash map because we need the indices. We don't need the indices this time, so we use a set, but it's the same principle. And if the difference is in like the hash map or the set, then we add it to the result. The difference is that in QSUM, there's only one solution. So that's why, like on the first instance where we saw like a pair of numbers that add to target, we just returned it. In QSUM, there's multiple possible solutions. Well, there could be like no solution at all, right? So that's why we don't just return like the answer. And here, like I mentioned before, I'm just going to convert result to a list, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Like this part is very similar, like the nested for loop part, it's very similar to the solution to TwoSum. The only difference is that with TwoSum, we were given a target, but in here, we have to make our own target basically. So let me run this code, and let me just do a quick double check to make sure that I didn't mess any variables or anything. Looks good. And yeah, you can see that this is the correct this is the correct solution. That's all for this video.